Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to explain how to implement the pre-increment and post-increment operators. So there are lots of operators and this is one of the unary operators. Let's see how it is used and how it is implemented. So let me write a small program. So here suppose I'm writing has include stdio.h, then void main has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for input output header file, that is standard input output header file, which contains the printf and scanf functions inside it, so that I can use that functions inside the program. Okay, so here I've declared main void main, that is main function. Within that opening curly bracket, I am declaring a variable. Suppose a is equal to 10, then b semicolon. Okay. Now in the next statement, I'm writing b is equal to a plus plus semicolon. Okay. So now in the next statement, I'm using printf statement or printf function to display the value of b and the value of a. So for that, I'm using percentile d suppose b is equal to, just a minute, here I'm writing b is equal to percentile d double quotation end comma b semicolon. Again, I want to display the value of a, which is equal to percentile d double quotation end a semicolon. Okay, so this is the example of post increment operator. Okay, I'll explain it. So in the next statement, I'm using, for example, I'm writing b is equal to plus plus a semicolon. This is pre-increment operator. That is, this plus plus is the pre-increment operator. Here plus plus is the post-increment operator. So now in the next statement, I'm using printf function to display the value of, suppose, slash n equal to percentile d double quotation end comma b semicolon. In the next statement, I'm writing printf statement is slash n a is equal to percentile d double quotation end comma a semicolon. Okay, so this is my program, and in this program I want to show how post increment is working and how pre-increment is working. So let's see, when these variables are created, declare a will be reserved in memory and it will contain 10, b will reserve 2 bytes in memory. So what happens when this statement is executed, b equal to a plus plus? This is a post increment operator. It means the value of a will be assigned to b first, then after the value of a will be incremented. That means first b will be assigned a, that means b will be 10, then a plus plus means a will be increment, that is a plus plus means a equal to a plus 1. A value will be incremented as 11. Okay, A value will be incremented as 11. So in this printf statement, B will be shown as 10 and A will be displayed as 11. Okay, so this is post increment. That means first the value will be assigned, then after the value will be incremented. Okay, so in the next statement, that is pre-increment operator. So this is pre means previous increment. First increment will occur, then after the value will be assigned to B. Okay, first increment will occur, first A will be incremented, then after the value will be assigned to B. So how it will work? Plus A, it means the value of A previously was 11, the value of A previously was 11. That means this still 10 will be replaced by 11 here. Okay, so now plus A means A will be A plus 1. That means this will be incremented by 1, that is 12. So now A is 12. And this 12 value is assigned to B. That means B will be 12. Okay. So after the execution of this statement, in the next statement in the printf function, B is equal to %d, comma B. That means it will represent 12, and A will also represent 12. Okay. Let's write a program and see how it is working. Okay, so I'm writing the program has include stdio.h. Next, void main, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. I'm writing int A is equal to 10, comma B, then semicolon. I'm writing B is equal to A plus semicolon. Next, I'm using printf function to display the value of B equal to %d, then after double quotation comma, the value of B will be displayed. In the next statement, I'm using the same printf function watch or to display /n. I'm using /n to represent it in new line. A is equal to %d, comma A, semicolon. Okay. So this is all about post increment. Okay. So now first let's see how it is executing. Then after I will write for the pre-increment. Increment. So I'm using the file name as increment. Now I'm saving it with C source file, that is with .c extension. Yes, I want to save it. So now it is compiling and my program is already saved. So here the compilation results, errors are 0, warnings are 0. That means my program is correct. So now I want to execute it. Yes, you can say B equal to 10 and A is equal to 11. Okay, B equal to 10 and A equal to 11. So let's use another statement that is equal to B equal to plus A, semicolon. Now suppose I'm using the printf statement. So here I want to display the value of B, and in the next printf statement I want to display the value of A. Okay, so let's execute it. This is the pre-increment. The first one is post-increment. Here the value will be assigned first. The value of A will be assigned to B first, then the value of A will be incremented. But here, first the value of A is incremented, then it will be assigned to B. Okay, so let's execute. Yes, you can see the B is first value be 10, A 11, then second B is 12 and A is 12. How B is 12? Because first A will be incremented, that means A is 11. 11 plus plus means 11 plus 1, that is 12. So A is 12. Then the value of A is assigned to B. So B is 12. Okay. This is the use of pre-increment and post-increment operator. Okay. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.